2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, security system, bed liner, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, compass, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, tachometer, power moonroof, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.